Hello everyone, today is going to be my May Boxycharm unboxing. This is the regular subscription box. I believe it's $25 a month, or you could pay for the year in advance. I will leave all the information in the description bar below, including a link that, I don't know, I get what everybody else gets. If someone follows their link, I get that. So this month thing is called Mother Nature Boxycharm, packed with gloves and love. And it's got a list of all the, I love the card. It's got a list of every product and the price. And I thought I had a calculator in here, but I don't. So I will try to add it up in my head. So, yeah. All right, the first thing we will go, I did pick this. This is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. It smells really good. It's really loose too. It reminds me of yogurt, but I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to put some on my hand real quick. It says, creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance and balance. It says apply an even layer to clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes for best results, tissue off and smooth any excess. If desired, rinse and pat dry, follow with your normal skincare regimen. So it looks like this. It's a full size, very pretty. The full size is $49. And once you open it, it's good for 2 years. And I'm trying to see if there's any ounces on here, how many ounces it is. But I don't see any of that. I don't even see it on here. Okay, the next thing I see is Amen Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum Makeup Removing Wipes. These Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. Designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin. MSRP is $17. Holding the card up. Looks like this. There is 25 towelettes in here. Removes even waterproof mascara. I do like that the first ingredient is water. It's usually what they have the most of. And then the rest of this I can't even say. Trying to look at the ingredients, make sure there's nothing I'm allergic to. But we will go ahead and leave it closed. It's got no parabens, cruelty-free, no artificial dyes, and no phthalates. Yeah, none of that. Okay, and they are $17, so far the box is $66. Yeah, $66. Yeah. Okay, the next thing is a Aesthetica Trio Liner Brush Set for $45. Yeah, I'm just going to have to leave the total down below because I don't even have a pen right here. And I don't want to write with, oh, I have a calculator. I knew I had one up here. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. These are 3 brushes by Aesthetica. Jason wants one of them for he's going to start making lures. He wants this one. These are $45 brushes. It's got some kind of powder coming off of it when I do this. So that brings us back to clean your brushes. When you get new brushes, clean them before you use them because you don't know where they've been. But we got 3 brushes. One's a spoolie. These are an eyeliner trio. And this is to do your liquid liner. Can y'all see that? No. There you go. It's that real thin kind of brush. And then this one is just a lined brush. Okay, and those are $45. So 49 plus 17 plus 45 plus, okay. The next thing we have is Tracy Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon in the shade Bisque. Looks like this. I'm gonna open the box up. And then it looks like this, which is kind of neat when you think about it. This is, once you open it, you have 36 months to use it, so that's pretty cool. And then this comes up. This is the lid. And then this is the concealer. You get a pretty good amount of product in there. And then there's a sponge at the bottom so that like when you put it on, that's kind of neat. And the only reason I know all that is the box right there. It tells you that all that's there. It's a 2-in-1 concealer and built-in blender. So this is the built-in blender. And it is pretty soft. I don't know if it's soft enough to use under your eyes, so it might be something where you could spot conceal in different spots. But the color, believe it or not, it looks like it's perfect because my face is a little lighter than my hand. So I think it would be, I'm trying to blend it in a little bit, see what it does. Blends in really good, so that's a good thing. This is $24. My hair's stuck in it. It says you can have smooth, extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and lightweight feel. Ultra creamy, long lasting formula takes cover and correction to a new level. So that's not bad at all. And the last thing in here is a eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauté. This is 12 colors. Hold on, I was putting the price in there. Okay. This is the Scarlet Dusk palette. I have never had anything from them, so this is really exciting. It says this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrise and sunset witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. I love the packaging. That's really pretty. Oh, Sunset Rose, Crimson Shade, Nocturnal is the first row. Look at these colors. Wow. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I would ever feel shades that are that creamy. Those are the shimmers. Those are really pretty. Second row is Aruba, Hibiscus, Lotus, Bahamas. Is the second row. Go in that direction. The last row is Maui, Pink, Moon, Aurora, and Sangria. Here you go. Let me try to bring it up real close so you can see them. I can't wait to use this. And it's a good thing because I've been getting into a lot of colorful looks lately. Not today. I'm just, for some odd reason, I only slept. This watch, you know, you could think you didn't get that much sleep, and then you could be like, well, yeah, I did. I've slept from this time to this time. And then you look at your thing and it tells you you slept for 4 hours and only 17 minutes of that was a deep sleep. So, yeah, that's where we're at. It was raining a lot here last night, but I don't think that's it. I think I was just restless. Okay, I can't get it to go back in the box, which is so odd because I can't get it to go back in the box with this on. That is so odd because it came out of the box with that on. So, but overall, I like this box. I like the palette. I definitely like this. I've been getting into my skincare a lot more recently. And the total for this box that you pay $25 for a month, this box's total is $169.99. So you get value for your money. If you want to pay it monthly because that's how you could do it and you could cancel it at any time, that's good. If you want to get it every month, I think it was like $200 and something for the total for the year. Or you could get it on 3-month or 6-month. Some people can only do it per month because that way they can pause it or cancel it anytime that they want. But overall, I have not been dissatisfied with one box yet. I know I'm new, and I know the time is coming that I might be dissatisfied, but I like this. This is stuff I wouldn't have thought to go buy. Like, I never heard of this brand. And let me see what these smell like. I was gonna leave it closed, but when I swatch things for y'all and everything else, I need it. It really doesn't have a smell except for probably the vitamin C, because there was like a citrusy scent. And let's face it, vitamin C will have a citrusy scent. But overall, I love this box. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. I will leave all the information in the description bar below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.